Very good. This is my job.
It's a mystery.
Good.
No one can tell tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Cause one day you must
This
reap
is
what
good.
you sow.
Job well done. This is wonderful.
It's a mystery.
Thank you, sir.
No one
This
can
calls for
tell.
a celebration.
Be careful the way you live your
And the celebration shall be tomorrow.
what you sow.
Then it's not better come back tomorrow.
If
Koko sisi muni bele mmiri.
this life is full of evil.
Someone said, the master of the game. But the master of the game. Koko sisi muni bele mmiri. Thank you very much.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Ben, can you recognize any of those boys if you should see them?
Who else if not Chief and his boys? Chief is the one behind this.
I have warned you to stay away from Chief. That man is deadly and selfish, you know that.
I will make him pay dearly for this. I swear. Chief, you've touched the tail of the tiger.
If I'm to advise, I suggest you take the case to the police and make him pay dearly for it.
Taking this case to the police will only make things complicated for me, and that is what I don't want. I'll handle this, my lord.
Well, if you say so, I hope you just do the right thing. Okay, if you say so. Come on, cheer up. Just part of life, you know that.
I think it's high time I dealt with that beast that called himself my father. Yes, I can no longer sit down here, fold my arms, and allow him render my future useless. I think it's time to show him the real beast in me.
As I am talking with you now, the documents are in my custody. Yes, I have the total sum of 200,000 dollars while in my possession. So, I've made every arrangement. Make every arrangement. Do exactly what I instructed you to do. It's all right. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Cindy, my love. Cindy, my baby. It's a lot. We need okay. Hey! Oh!
Hey! Oh!
It's a lot.
Chinedu.
Eh?
Chinedu.
Eh?
Oh, I said. Oh! I said it.
Eh?
Hi! Chinedu, you are sick. Oh! Chinedu. Hi! So there's no hospital in this. Oh! Chinedu, go and treat yourself and you are sick. Wait, Chinedu. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Don't you ever, don't you ever in your miserable life try this nonsense again. Have you heard me? Have you heard me?
Cynthia, what has come over you? Have you forgotten how you used to come to my shop? I will carry you on my laps. You will like a Hey! I am not cut along while you're wedding.
I just hold it there, please. Hey! Have you forgotten how I am? Madam Magic. Okay, friend. Go there now. What is wrong with you? Go up when you jack again now, poverty. Hey! Chinedu, we are not in the same class. Go up when you jack again now,
Chineke.
Have you heard me? You are the one causing all these things for yourself. Chineke. Look at your life. Miserable. Hell! Oh, Chinedu. I keep saying this. Check me out now. Madam Magic. Check him out. Just check me out. Check me out, Chinedu. Are you serious? Check me out. Do I look like your mate? No, check this place out. Okay, check go down.
Hey!
You go down here. Can you take care of this?
Hey!
Chinedu, we're not in the same level. See, let me tell you something. Whatever we had together was in the past. So I will just advise you to move on. Just move on because we are not in the same level again.
Cindy, is it because I'm poor? Is it because I don't have money?
Yes.
Cindy nge blow kwa. Cindy nekwa mana nekwa anya nge hit, nge blow. Cindy nge blow kwa. Okwe edu baba nge blow kwa. Cindy oya adigide kon like this.
Who cares whether you have money or not?
Things will not remain like this. Hey,
who cares? Who cares whether you are poor or not poor? Take permission from me. Come bless Yagi. Come make magic. Oh, now it a go woga off. Your life will turn around. What are we doing here, Mom? What are we doing here? Let's go. Leave this with you. Let's get out.
Get away.
Mr. Lover. Mary, let's go before I'm doing really well. What said this boy is sick it up? Mr. Lover.
Get out.
Mary, let's go. Let's go before what this boy is.
From card ko apply. Get away you. Le kuku bebem. Card ko dot back monkey post. Get away you.
I don't want to. Nonsense.
Hey!
Are you mad? Eh?
Zamaka, you slapped me.
And I will slap you over and over again if you should lay your filthy hands on me. If you don't get out from my presence, I will slap you again. Right.
You are doing this because I lost my job. You know that I had money and different cars before.
And different cars. Useless man. Where are the cars? And the money? Where are they? Check and what? I get them before. No be property. That you have them before doesn't mean that just they are okay. Shameless man. If I just slap me again from this your mouth, I will slap you again. Just be careful. Don't utter that to slap me again. If you know what is good for you, just put your ugly self together and go outside there and start hustling like your mates. Lazy man. Let me sleep. Let me stretch my legs. Let me sleep. Go. Let me sleep. Let me sleep.
You pushed me down.
Come, move us.
I better do quick.
Not Mercy be this. Hey, Mercy, you know say I know the house. Why you dey run comot for house?
So you dey here?
Hey!
Yes, dey open. Nobody go keep fast.
Hey! Spanner, I dey come. Come now. Hey!
You do it very well.
Go to the salon and go and do your hair now.
With which money?
Not given by which money. You don't have money.
Mama, give it to me.
Chinedu?
Brother Chinedu? Brother Chinedu, come now. Come and talk to us.
You small boy, what can I do for you?
You think you can play the game, right? Chief, here's my documents. Chief, I am giving you 12 hours to get me back those documents. Else, I will show you that I'm the game master.
Interested? Well, let's see how it goes.
Chief, don't tell me. Chief, don't tell me! 12 hours is all you have. 12 hours.
Small boy. We shall see. We shall see. No problem.
Chief, 12 hours. 12 hours. I give you 12 hours, Chief. 12 hours!
12 hours is not too far from now. We shall see.
It's a mystery. No one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow.
Hey, madam. Thank God I know you. Madam Magic or whatever they call you. Stay away from my husband. I thought you have your own husband. That problem is the one here. Eh? Are you talking to me or to someone else? I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Leave my husband alone for me. I'm talking to you. Who's your husband? Yeah, Amadi, you know. Amadi, you know. Oh my goodness. Amadi. Oh. You should be the one thanking me that I'm taking care of Amadi for you. Eh? Or is it my fault that he dumped you for me? Eh? You may think I'm joking, but I'm not joking. Go home and clean up. Why would he dump you? He has to dump you. Leave my husband alone. Leave my husband alone for me. Look at you. Public toilet. And I will like leave my husband alone for you. The very next time I will see you near my husband, you will see the other side of me. On your fiancé. Amadi that I'm managing. Amadi that I manage. Can this woman na carry like a mad woman? Leave my husband alone for me. Nonsense. You don't have Amadi in your heart. If you talk again, you will never see him. I will grind him and put him in my palms and hold him. You won't see him again. I think I'm joking. Just look at you. Amadi that I'm managing. I am managing Amadi. He's not even up to. I'm marking him. If I know that he's that you are his wife, I won't talk to you because nonsense. In their food, and once they eat it, they will sleep off. Then I'll pick like this and leave this house. I think this is a good idea.
Now so her life will be. She too like money. She too like money. Yeah.
What?
Now so her life will be.
Chief.
She too like money.
How far was your daughter concerning the marriage proposal?
Has she accepted? Before God, she has accepted.
Where choice?
Don't you trust what I can do?
Of course I do.
I'm one of Madam Magic. I make the impossible possible.
That means all the promises I've made, I will fulfill one after the other. Step by step.
Yes. Chief. I clap for you, Chief. As a matter of fact, the marriage starts now. The marriage planning and everything starts now. Because me, I can't afford to not go to London immediately. I want to make that abroad trip.
When I'm about to see you, see London. Of course, everything is fine.
So, with the money you gave to me, I will start planning them.
Wonderful.
So let me get a question.
We have to celebrate this.
Of course, now two of us.
Celebration continues.
Gallo.
Chief, no. Celebration.
Welcome, sir.
Why did you leave my gate open?
Okay, I swear, na me lock. I swear, na me lock this. Not be me open am for you now.
You have not answered my question. Why did you leave the gate open?
Okay, I swear, na me lock. Na me lock.
What else? What else?
What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here? How many times have I warned you not to come into this compound? Now leave! Get away!
Yes, sir.
Get out! What do you mean by that? What do you mean?
However, I live in your care. You are asking where is my daughter?
Can I miss you?
Where is my daughter?
I don't know. Now, Clara, I swear to God. Hey, don't die.
Mercy, I left Clara under your care.
I was at the kitchen when I came and she has left to walk.
If I go in there and I did not see my daughter,
I am going to strangle the two of you.
have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Idiots!
Oh
Animals!
Yes, sir.
Vampires!
You want to see this? You want to see?
How was the lesson?
It was fine now. Very hectic.
That's what it's supposed to be now. That's education.
Hey, Mama, what your brother? Is he around?
Oh, my dad just left with his friend, Emeka.
Okay,
they just
Emeka,
left,
yes. Yes, that reminds me. Mama, has brother said anything about that document that was stolen yesterday?
Your brother has not told me anything about it. You know your brother now, whenever I want to ask him anything about it, he will come up with one thing or the other. Don't just worry yourself. He has not told us anything.
Mama, less from me, I think there is something brother is not telling us. There is something he's hiding from us. Because ever since then, my spirit has not been comfortable. Mama, think now, check.
It's true. I thought as much. There was something fishy, but don't bother yourself. One day, you must surely find it.
Anyway, let's go. Mama, let me do this thing. I'm very, very hungry. I was thinking you should be done with this thing.
It's your man, food.
fine.
Oh, thank God. Hey.
From the scan done on her, she did not sustain any serious injury.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
I really appreciate it. You don't know how relieved I am right now. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
So, can we go with her now?
Oh, no. She needs to rest a little bit.
Bed rest?
Yeah.
Fuck, man. Fuck you. What do you do now? What do you do? What do we do now? See what will happen.
Both of you. You take this way.
Please, I'm looking for a particular girl. She's just slim and fair in complexion. You see her around here? Oh, okay, sorry. Bye-bye.
Madam, I don't know what to do.
Why did you collect money from me?
I'm telling that man, I don't know what is his problem.
See. Once you serve your customers, collect your money. Unless you're ready for Madam's trouble.
Maybe she use her you are not serious. I'm not serious. I will deal with him, don't worry.
Collect your money whenever you see him. Don't worry,
don't tell Madam yet. I will get to him. I will get to him. So better do so.
But once you serve your customers, make sure you collect your money immediately. Don't even waste time.
Those customers would like breaking that thing. Good afternoon, sir.
Precious.
Yes?
Come. Is Madam not around?
Yes.
Please, go and get me some food. Let me eat. I'm very hungry.
No. Madam will kill me if she finds out.
Forget about that. I will personally talk to her if she finds out. Please. Please. Yesterday, I've not tested anything. Please.
Father, please. I can't do what you're asking me for. Biko.
Precious.
Sir?
Okago Obuzian.
So I can't just do what you're asking me. Please. He said he was hungry. I should give him food.
Precious, what do you think of it? That's not fair.
Precious what? What is your problem?
You should have given him food. That is Madam's husband you're seeing.
I know. Hey. But this was Madam's instruction. I don't want her troubles.
You have just covered him up. You were just giving him that food. Have you forgotten that he's the one that built this place? This is not fair. You have given him the food. I will cover it up. Precious.
Yeah. I don't want any problem, miss. I don't want madam's problem. Please.
We'll have sorted it out.
Enough of this. See, if you guys continue disturbing me, don't worry. I think you want me to stop this to madam.
Not fair. Precious. Not fair. Not fair. Look at that old man.
So, what are you telling me? Where is she?
Sir, we searched everywhere for her, sir, but we couldn't find her.
You all are big fools! Big fools! How dare you come to me that you failed a simple task?
Be careful the way you live your life, 'cause one day you must reap what you sow.
You are stupid. Very stupid! I am giving you 24 hours to make sure to find her, bring her here, or I will strangle you with my bare hands. Nonsense! Come on, get out of here! Get out! Cigar!
Did you remove any money from my room?
Money what?
No. What's money? Can't get money. The 15,000 naira I kept in my
Hey!
I can't find that money now. I told one problem. When you just provide there here.
15,000.
Oh, mama.
Did you search very well?
I said one search very well. Say now the room is in and I search very well. Now I talk about this story out. I talk about every joke from my uncle.
I knew it. Is your father around? Your father must be behind this. Yes.
Papa?
Yes. He must be behind this. Yes. He must have taken that money to that harlot that parades herself as Madam Magic.
How do you feel Madam Magic? No, for magic in our
This man.
If this money doesn't come out, okay, man, I'm playing with him.
Hey! Hey! Chinedu! Mama, where is it now? See your brother is looking for his money. He has gone to meet your father at Madam Magic's bow. Hey! I need to go. Hey! My daughter will be this man will kill me.
It's a mystery. No one can tell tomorrow.
Did you see her?
I didn't even see any sign of peace.
I'm tired.
No one can tell tomorrow. Be careful the way you live your life. Cause one day
I said I'm tired. Don't you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I know, you all are tired.
But we know we can't go back to Shiv without her daughter. And the document. It's not possible now.
this life is full of evil.
You know the problem now? This is bullshit, man. What do I tell Chief?
Fuck.
What if we tell Chief that his daughter is dead?
Dead?
I think that's okay. It's fine.
Hey, okay, what if he says she's dead? What about the cops?
It's a mystery.
Yes. The document.
No one can tell.
Don't you think he would ask such questions? Man, think, man, think. Man, think. Damn.
Exactly, you're right. In that case, I suggest you tell him that the daughter left this country. In the document.
Don't allow material things to push you
Yes.
into evil.
You make it a point. You just made a point, man.
Days of life to
What does that
put you
have to
into
die?
evil.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
See, you always talk like a kid, man.
Yes!
Leaves
You can cook something. You can always figure something out.
You can find something and say, look, she traveled. Okay? She
Simple.
traveled with the documents. Okay. Leave it to me, I can back it up.
Okay.
Okay? Let's get out of here. We have no more time.
Policeman! Yes, that man! Where's my father? Where's my father? Where's my useless father? Nah, I didn't come for you. Where's my father? I said, who's your useless father? My father is Amadi. He comes to this useless shop of yours. I came to squander my money. No, nothing. And get this thing out. Throw him outside. Okay. Ballum boys. Okay. What's the ballum? Papa, you come back and meet me. Why you come back and meet me? You come back and meet me. Get you home and be able to operate. Papa, just give me. Wait first, Papa. Give me my money. Papa, give me my money. Just give me my money now. Papa, give me my money now. Which money? Papa, give me my money. Give my money because the 15,000 naira you removed from my room. Chiguzo na me with her and Madam Magic. You just take my money. Jeba na tell you say walk where. Papa, give me my money because. Go husband, go now, Papa. Never go na just me move out here. Na never go because. Na if I hit please. Papa, give me my money. Give me my money. Now if you love this man, say Anyemego. Papa, give me my money now. Now I know tell me some Bukodon now here. Anya do come money if you have. Now Papa, give me my money because oh just give me my money.
Let's go home. Let's go home and settle. Go. Calm down.
Papa, this is not the issue of going home. Once we get to the house and you don't give me this money, Papa will give me. Papa, be going first. Oh, Papa, be going. Now, but this man, Papa, be going.
I'm very sorry, sir. We still cannot find her.
What? How do you mean? You searched everywhere?
So we did everything within our reach. Well, we just couldn't.
I'm sorry, sir. You can't find her the time, you can't find the documents. What do I do now? Oh, what have I done? What kind of brother is this? Why? Oh.
But sir, as we were coming in, we saw this note just beside the door.
Hello, Dad. It's a pity I can't take your humiliation any longer. By the time you finish reading this note, trust me, I have landed in John Kennedy Airport. Chief! Let's go now. Let's go. Stop it.
direction is the house located?
Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. I want to go.
I understand, but don't you have a house or a family?
Don't worry, I can take care of myself. Let me go.
Hold on. Can you do me one favor?
Which is?
Let me take you to my house. When you're medically fit, I'll let you go.
No, my dear. Thanks for your consent, but I insist.
Okay, wait. What about if I get you a hotel room for you to stay for now? Please. You know you're not too strong. Okay? Just relax, okay?
So, doctor.
Are you serious? Do you know I've been calling Ben for over an hour now and he's not picking my calls? But why? How is he going to tell me his reasons when he's not even picking my calls? Look, see, I called him today, 15 missed calls. Ben, I've been calling him, he's not picking my calls. This is serious, so. Mary, I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Babe, you have to calm down. But don't tell me he's beginning to fall in love with that guy.
So what if I'm already in love with him? Is there any problem?
Okay, no problem. But my dear, you have to be very careful. Because guys these days are not worthy to be trusted. You have to be very, very careful.
Mary, please. I'm not in the mood for all this. I just want Ben to pick my calls. In fact, I just want him to call me. I want to know what's wrong with him.
It's okay. You have to keep calling him.
Please, let's go. Let's go.
Just keep trying. Keep calling him.
What do we do, bro? Huh? I mean, you cannot just abandon that man to die there or something. Can't do anything.
I have some suggestion on my mind. Let's visit that man's house to conduct some tasks. I believe that man must have some cash in that house.
You're bad.
I'm telling you, my man.
I believe you.
This life is full of evil.
Da. I'm with you, man. You're not saying anything, man.
Don't mind me,
You're not saying anything.
Don't worry, I've had you guys. Damn you! You have had us just like that. I said I've had you guys. What else do you want me to say? What? Shit. Come on.
It's a mystery.
Ben, what's the problem? You didn't even tell me we were coming.
Guy, you won't understand.
What's wrong?
It's about that girl, Clara.
Yes? What about her?
I have a feeling that girl, Clara, is going through pains in her heart.
Hasn't she opened up to you?
That's the problem. She hardly talks about herself, talk more of saying anything pertaining her family.
I hope that girl is not a ghost too.
Yes. You wouldn't, you know.
Wa baja, no wa baja. Ha, ole bochi Dikeh. Ivo nwere mmadụ erika bakururu. Nke jita ka m na-agbawa ka ife ọ na-agụ n'ọnụ bakururu. Ụwa ba bakururu. Nke bakururu a bụ nke na-asọkarịcha m. Bakururu. Dike ya n'ebe.
Hey!
Bakururu.
Shameless man! Shameless man! Just take a very good look at yourself. Wabaja. And we all know that Wabaja. Anybody that sees you will know that you are complete Aja. Not even sharp sand. Ajulo. That is what you are. Shameless man. All you do in this house is just to steal your son's money and give to that harlot. All you know about public latrine. For your information, very soon, you give it a Georgia. You see this thing in between your tight, it will put you into trouble. One day, put a Georgia. Where I can go. That is what you are, Amadi. Amadi, shameless man. That's him. He's a window. Shameless thing. Nonsense. Wabaja. You never have peace in this house.
Mama, I was hearing your voice from inside.
Is it not this your useless father?
Mama, Papa again. And besides, reduce your voice, the neighbors are listening.
Hence, he has decided not to play his role as a father in this house. He will never have peace. Amado Fadilona.
Mama, let's go inside. Mama, now.
Lucy, seriously, I don't understand. I am just confused about this whole thing. I am confused. I don't even know what to think again.
Why don't you try and go to his house? Maybe something is holding him.
How? No, make me to understand. How? How will I go to his house? I've not been to his house before now.
What? In that case, let him be.
One day he'll come back to you.
Lucy, you don't understand. I am talking about my in-law to be.
How? Please, I don't understand. Just
Let me understand, please.
Okay. Since you don't understand anything, Chief is getting married to my daughter Lucy.
What? Can I hear you right? You of all people, Madam Magic. Now. You giving your daughter, your beautiful Cindy, to that old fool?
I mean, what's your business now? How does it concern you?
I'm telling you.
You can go ahead and say whatever thing you want to say. But as far as this issue is concerned, Chief is getting married to my daughter, period. That's all that matters. I get back to Cindy. She's my daughter, not be your own. She's my daughter. I give her to marry to whoever that pleases me and who has money. Excuse me. It's your daughter, not mine. That is your business.
Okay, now you. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Chinedu.
Good afternoon. Welcome,
Chinedu.
Sir. Welcome. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. But let me just put some things together.
You're trying to put some things together?
Yes. Then your work will soon be ready.
But why? Why is my work not ready?
The thing, not beside no one do your work. I will do. I will do that work.
Chinedu, I thought I gave you some balance for the work.
It's not that I won't do your work, but the thing be say,
don't tell me you left my work for another work.
It's not like that. It's not like that. The thing be say, that money you give me, I lost it.
You did what?
That I keep that money for my bedroom. Do you know that I came there, I did not see the money?
Chinedu,
but just give me some time.
Chinedu, I give you just 2 days for you to get my work ready. 2 days. Okay. If not, you will see the dark side of me. I give you just 2 days. 2 days.
Okay. Hey! Now die. Now die.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Ndiamaka, where are you? Ndiamaka, what is it? What is it?
How dare you, Amadi? How dare you enter this compound? Oh, it's like you've lost your senses.
Ndiamaka, light and darkness have nothing in common.
You are the darkness, I know. All the time I've rejected you, you are the darkness. I've always known I'm a widow. You are the darkness, I'm blind. So will you stop that nonsense?
You think it was in those days? Run over.
Please get out of this compound.
What is it? What is this, Ndiamaka?